What if I told you that numbers can be illegal? There was actually a number that was illegal to own back in 2001. It sounds insane, but in 1999, a teenager in Norway named DVD John wrote a piece of code called DCSS. It cracked CSS, which is the encryption on DVDs to protect copyrighted content. This now meant that suddenly anyone could copy a movie with the click of a button. What happened next became a nightmare for movie studios. It was so bad that they sued the hacker magazine 2600.com, threatened Slashdot, and their lawyers sent a cease and desist letter to anyone hosting the code, claiming it to be a digital armed robber. But since it's the internet we're talking about, they eventually found a loophole.
A computer scientist named Phil Cardy realized that since computer code is just ones and zeros, you can turn a string of binary commands into a single number. And that way, you'll just get a really, really big integer that acts as a code command, which became the illegal code. But Cardy knew that just creating the number wasn't going to be enough, because the government could still ban any random number. That was when he had an insane idea. He needed a number that science would be forced to protect. He needed a prime number. Why a prime number? You see, the University of Tennessee maintains a prestigious academic database called the Prime Pages. It records the 5,000 largest known prime numbers.
Cardy realized if he could turn the illegal code into a record-breaking prime number, the university would have to publish it. His first attempt was a 1,401 digits long prime number. It was prime, but it was too small, which meant it didn't crack the top 5,000 list. It wasn't mathematically interesting enough to present to the university. So what did he do? He hacked the math by using a formula. That K is the illegal code. The 256 to the N is the mathematical equivalent of adding useless zeros at the end of your decimal. This made the number mathematically large, but still keeping the illegal code itself safe. And doing that a lot of times, he ended up with a 1,905-pound monster. This wasn't just a legal code anymore. This happened to be the 10th largest ECP prime number ever discovered in human history. The number was then immediately added to the university database. Now, for the MPAA to ban the code now, they would have to order a university to delete a scientific record, which would be a very hard thing to do, even for them. So right now, there is a number that is illegal, but not by law. How insane is that?